such. We'll turn on the remote to see if they bind even. It is green.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, wait. Okay, look, that was pretty easy. I just flicked the switch, and now it should fly. That is cool. That is cool. Let's take a look at the thing. It immediately found things in there, and that is cool. So that is awesome. That was very straightforward. It would seem that it wants to run on the batteries that it came with, which are the Emax ones. I don't know if it'll run with these, but it's cool to have extras. So I'm not sure if those go into the into this thing or something else, but what I can tell you guys is that it was super straightforward to get this up and running. And
Likey